murakoze cyane.
My name is Mwana Gaspar. I am head of health center and welcome in our center. So now Mayangiri Center has been created in 1996 after genocide. So now we have the total population is at 34.
abajyanama b'ubuzima munyemerere rero mbabwire bimwe mu by'abajyanama b'ubuzima dukora. Abajyanama b'ubuzima dukora ubujyanama, tugakora ubuvuzi bukomatanije ndetse tukaniteza imbere.
So she's telling what they do daily, they manage cases in the community, and people about hygiene.
Tukabigisha gutanga mitiweli kare kandi bakivuza hakiri kare.
And they sensitize them about the community health insurance.
Ikindi kandi tukabigisha ku bijyanye n'imirire kugira ngo ubuzima bwabo burusheho kuba bwiza.
And they sensitize them about nutrition.
Mu buvuzi rero icyo dukora tuvura indwara zikomatanije harimo malaria, impiswi n'umusonga.